Struggling to fall asleep at night? Tossing, turning, and staring at the ceiling? What if I told you one simple yoga stretch could help you drift off faster and sleep like a baby? Sleep problems are more common than you think. Stress, overthinking, and endless scrolling on our phones keep our minds restless. But here's the secret: your body already has a built-in reset button, and yoga helps press it. The stretch is called Supta Baddha Konasana, or Reclined Butterfly Pose. It's incredibly simple, yet deeply calming. Here's how you do it. Lie down on your back. Bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees fall outward. Place your hands gently on your stomach or by your sides. Close your eyes and take deep, slow breaths. That's it. Just hold this pose for 3 to 5 minutes, breathing deeply. This gentle stretch relaxes your hips, releases tension from the lower back, and signals your nervous system to switch from fight or flight into rest and digest. Within minutes, your mind begins to slow down, and your body prepares for deep, natural sleep. Practice this every night before bed, and you'll notice falling asleep becomes easier. No pills, no complicated routines, just one yoga stretch that tells your body it's time to rest. So tonight, before you reach for your phone or count sheep, try this stretch and sleep like a baby. Have you tried yoga for sleep? Share your experience in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos.